In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $9,200 in 15 days just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Facebook. Okay, I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Facebook. For beginners, I will show you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one and how you can promote affiliate links using free traffic and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end and let's get started. So I made this commission just in almost like 2 weeks, okay, in 15 days from the first day of April this month until the day 15 of April. Okay, I made this commission just using free traffic, and I will share with you guys the methods that I'm using to promote my affiliate links for free. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, just go. So first, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. You just need to use your email address. So just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password and account type, make it private, and you will answer a few questions. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. It's super easy, guys. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose which services you will promote on Facebook to earn commission, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable services and the method that I'm using to fund a profitable services. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to just go and open your Facebook homepage like this. It's super easy. You guys all have Facebook account. Okay, so open your Facebook account like this, click over here on the search for web designer. Okay, search for web designer. So this is the profitable service that I'm promoting. So let me show you. Click on the search for web design. You can search for web design or web designer. Okay, and here you go. You have here filters. Scroll down and click on groups. Okay, because we need Facebook groups. Okay, and that's it. You will find a lot of Facebook groups about web design that you need to join. Okay, so make sure to join a lot of those groups and join public groups or even private groups. Just join all those groups. Okay, after you finish, let's take this group for example. I will click on this group, freelance web designer. You will be directly in this home page. Scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are searching for WordPress website design. Okay, those people, this one for example, search for website, WordPress website. His budget is $250. Okay, if we scroll down, we can find more people. Here is another person, need a website designer. Okay, this person is searching for website designer. So what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search over here, search for website development. Okay, search for website development, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here on Fiverr who are providing this service. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, So let's choose, for example, like this one. This one is top rated seller. This one is really good. He has 5 stars, a lot of reviews. He can design or create website, WordPress website, or any website you want. So what you will do, you will click on this seller service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. He has 5 orders in queue, a lot of reviews. That's really good. What you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So just click over here, and you have here your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, you have payments, post back, you have sub affiliate commission plan, and so on. So what you will do, you will click on marketing tools, okay, and click on default and dip links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on dip link and put this seller profile link here like this, okay, like this. Click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook, okay? So for people who have new accounts, you can't see this Fiverr CPA old plan. That's really fine, okay? You can copy your affiliate link from here, okay? From this Fiverr Pro new plan, okay? It's almost the same. You can copy your affiliate link from here and you can use this affiliate link, okay? So what you will do next, let's go back to Facebook, okay? So, okay. So what you will do next is you need to go back to your Facebook homepage, okay? To this Facebook group like this. And this person is searching for need website designer. So what you need to do is you can talk with this person. This person, as you can see, he is from United Kingdom. That's really good. Click over here on message, okay? And send a message to this person, okay? Send a good message. For example, you can say hi sir, okay? I saw your post on Facebook group, okay, on Facebook group about website design, okay, and you are searching for website designer, okay. So if you are still searching for designer, okay, I can help you, okay. Or so give it time, you can create a professional and good message, okay. Then you will send this message. So this is just an example. You will send this message to this person. If this person is still looking for a website designer, he will answer you, he will contact you back. Then you can talk with this person, and if he is still interested, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here and send your affiliate link to this person. And you can create, so for example, if you are still looking for a website designer, check this top rated seller on Fiverr. He can make an amazing and design your website professionally and make it branding, because he already worked on a lot of projects about website, and he designed 100 of websites, and so he has a good experience. Then you will send your affiliate link to this person, and this person will check this seller, okay. He will check the seller and he will find this seller is good. He has a good profile on Fiverr. He is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, 5 star. Click on continue. He will buy this service from this seller. You will earn commission. So this is the method that I'm using. If you can do it, I'm really sorry, guys, because a lot of you, not a lot of you, but some people always in the comments keep saying it's not working, this is not working, people will not buy the services. The business model is clear, okay? The business model is working. The problem is you, okay? If you can't if you can't talk with those people, you can't convince those people to buy those services from you, then the problem is from you, okay? The problem is not about from the business model, the problem is you. So you need to learn the skill how to sell, okay? Go to YouTube, watch some videos about how you can sell, how you can talk with your customers, how you can talk with people who are searching for products or services, okay? And keep learning, okay? Keep improving, and you can make a lot of money with this business model about affiliate marketing if you are really serious and you want to make money with affiliate marketing, okay? And that's it, okay? This is the method that I'm using. I always check YouTube, not I always check Facebook groups every day. I find a lot of people searching for website designers, searching for services like this one. I need logo designer, okay? This is his budget for logo, okay? I will talk with this person, okay? I can click on message, I will talk with this person. If he is still looking for logo designer, I will go to Fiverr, I will copy my affiliate link. We did the method that I show you now. I will send my affiliate link to this person, he will buy this service, I will earn commission, and that's it. That's what I do, and it's already working. Here is another person looking logo designer needed. This one is looking for logo designer. If you scroll down, I need an expert WordPress design developer. This one is looking for WordPress design website developer, like this service, okay? And that's it, guys, okay? I'm showing you what's working. I show you how you can promote your affiliate links for free, how you can find people who will buy those services from you, how you can start with $0. So so let me know in the comments what do you want more, okay? If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. So it's just up to you. It's up to your if you will stay consistent, if you will improve, if you will start learning how you can sell, how you can talk with those people who are searching for those services or products. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.